Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Project Gaia. JP here, and today we are in a very unique location. We are in a city called Civita Di Bagnoregio. Try saying that 5 times fast. And this is a medieval hilltop city in central Italy, about 2 hours north of Rome. It's actually near Orvieto. You've probably heard of that. And you've probably actually never heard of this city. And it's so unique and so interesting because you have to take this footbridge across the canyon up on top to get in. Where you park, it does take about 15 to 20 minutes to get up here. And you go through another part of the city, Bagnoregio, not the Città that's on top of the hill, the one that's more in the valley. But that one is incredibly authentic. It's a real, live, living Italian city. Often when I go to hilltop Italian cities, they are a little bit overrun by tourists, and you don't see like laundromats and supermarkets and liquor stores and stuff like that, but you will see that here. So it's very authentic. I recommend spending a little time there first. A lot of people just kind of rush right through it and go right up to the hilltop city, but I recommend doing that. So what we're going to do on this tour is we're going to go up to the Città, and we're going to learn a little bit about its history, and I'm going to show you the best things to do and see when you're here. So let's begin. On your way to Civita Di Bagnoregio, you will first pass through the beautiful rolling hills and quaint villages of the Lazio region of Italy. It almost prepares you for the beauty you are about to encounter once you enter the city. Next, you will park at the bottom of the hill near the quote-unquote new city of Bagnoregio. This lively, authentic, and charming city greets you with a smile before you begin your ascent up to the hill town city. Like I mentioned before, do not overlook the new city. Take some time to enjoy the scenery, the authentic nature of it all, and the charming residents within it. What I love about Bagnoregio is the obvious love that its residents have for the city. As you wander the narrow medieval lanes of the city, you can feel the intense pride in the place that these people call home. Each home is decorated with tons of plants and different forms of art and statuary, giving the area a unique charm. The city, even though being dubbed the new city of the two, has roots going back 2,500 years to Etruscan times, before the Roman Empire, and when it was called Rota. The architecture you will see now is mostly medieval and early modern, but it is nonetheless still very old and charming. Although I guess compared to its hilltop neighbor, it seems rather ordinary, but its ordinariness is what makes it so special and authentic. Okay, you're almost there, you're starting to see some of the beautiful scenery, and you're almost there, I promise. Just keep going, keep going. If you want, take a break at this little cafe, and then keep going until you see the dramatic pedestrian bridge. After your journey through the new city, you will finally approach the amazingly beautiful, unique, and dramatic pedestrian bridge up to the hilltop city. This bridge was built in the 1960s and offers you jaw-dropping views of the rugged canyon below as you make your ascent up to the city. It's like the city is whispering and summoning you in an enchanting voice as you make your slow climb up to the enchanting wonder. Before this was built, it was a simple earthen bridge that was very unstable and dangerous to walk up. No cars are allowed into the city, only small scooters, bikes, and the occasional delivery for the residents.
Once you finally make your way to the top, you will be greeted by amazing vistas of the canyon below. Then continue through the beautiful medieval gates till you finally get to the enchanting streets of Civita Di Bagnoregio.
Okay, we finally got through town and got up the pedestrian footbridge. So here we are in the city, and it is so amazingly beautiful. It's so medieval, and it's just like stone everywhere, and it feels like this kind of real cool hidden thing. Like, it's really small. It's just a couple blocks, honestly, but it's so quaint and so, like, it feels like a secret. It truly is beautiful.
Welcome to the beautiful and enchanting city of Civita Di Bagnoregio. Often described as the dying town, this city is a living testament to the delicate balance between nature and human history. Perched on a hilltop amidst this striking landscape of ravines and steep cliffs, the city is renowned for its breathtaking beauty and its precarious position. Founded by the Etruscans over 2,500 years ago, the village has survived numerous historical challenges, including invasions and natural erosion. Its unique geographical location, while providing stunning views and a picturesque setting, also leaves it vulnerable to the forces of nature. Over time, erosion has carved away at the surrounding tough rock, leading to the village's nickname of the Dying Town.
You guys want to see something cool? Check this out. You don't see this a lot. This right here, what this was is a place to tie your horse, right? So you think about it, we drive now, we take buses or trains, right? If you drive your car, you have to park it somewhere, right? If you have a horse, you have to park it somewhere, right? And horses kind of stay close, especially when it's a busy, crowded area. But they will run away if they're not, tied to something, or they'll wander at least. So that's what this is, and just you can see these bits of history everywhere around you, and it's so preserved, and it's just still here.
Despite the physical geological challenges and an ever-declining population, Civita Di Bagnoregio has retained its historical charm and architectural splendor. The maze of narrow cobblestone streets lined with beautifully preserved medieval buildings make the city a truly breathtaking and surreal experience frozen in time. The stone facades, arched doorways, and terracotta rooftops create a timeless atmosphere, transporting you back to a bygone era, something that is really hard to find nowadays.
So now we're at the main piazza in Civita di Bagnoregio, and this is called San Donato Piazza. And I don't know, they're doing some kind of film right now. I hope it's not a travel film, because then I got some competition. I don't know, maybe they think they're me, or maybe it's for a movie, I don't know. But so it's a little less quaint than it usually is, but it really is beautiful, and all these different homes look out on it, and it's a really nice public gathering space.
At the heart of Civita Di Bagnoregio is its central square, Piazza San Donato. This public gathering space is lined with medieval homes and provides a great place for residents and tourists alike to come together and experience the beauty of this great city. In the piazza, also see the historic San Donato Church. This church, along with other local landmarks, stands as a testament to the village's rich cultural and religious heritage. The original building of the church dates back as early as the 7th century and was built atop a previously pagan temple. So, this ground has been sacred and spiritual for thousands of years. The current building was remodeled heavily in 1511 and maintains a beautiful and serene interior that invites you to pray and reflect on your big journey to this unique city. The village's charm and historical significance have not gone unnoticed. In recent decades, significant preservation efforts have been undertaken to combat the effects of erosion and ensure that Civita di Bagnoregio remains a vibrant and living piece of history. Local residents, along with international supporters, have worked tirelessly to maintain and protect this unique treasure. Also, it is up for consideration as becoming a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
So another piece of history that you'll find all over the city are these wells. Now, in a time before indoor plumbing, right, and you were in a city, you couldn't go to a river, they had to dig wells so that people could get water for their cooking, cleaning, eating, all of those things. So you'll see them around the city. You can't fall into them because they're covered on the top, but you know, you look down into it and peer into it, which is pretty cool.
Next, make sure you drop a visit into the Antica Civita's Museum and Geppetto's Pinocchio house. This museum, built into a cave, was the filming place of one of the Pinocchio movies and also provides a look into the past, exhibiting artifacts found in and around the city that display the historical significance of the village. You can see everything from farming utensils to building utensils, and it really allows you to step into the past. Visiting Civita di Bagnoregio offers more than just a visual feast. It provides an opportunity to immerse oneself in a place where history and natural beauty converge. It's a poignant reminder of both the fragility and resilience of human creations and the landscapes that surround them. The city stands as a remarkable example of Italy's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty, embodying a profound sense of history and timelessness amid the challenges posed by its environment. As you wander through its streets and admire its architecture, remember that you are witnessing a piece of living history, preserved through dedication and care. I recommend you have lunch or dinner in the city and really take it all in. Then check out this amazing gelateria built inside the walls of a building that is several hundred years old. Get your favorite flavor of gelato, mine is stracciatella, and enjoy everything around you. Appreciate the beauty of this city and make a wish that this won't be your last visit.
Okay guys, this was Civita di Bagnoregio. Now, I have to say that it really blew me away. I mean, I've been to a lot of places. I have a travel vlog, right? And this has to be one of the most beautiful places I have ever seen. I mean, the historical beauty of it all, how it's preserved. There's no cars allowed. There's just like literally beauty everywhere you look. I mean, I've been blown away. I keep wondering if I died and went to heaven and this is some kind of little like test. But I have to say it truly blew my mind, and I think this is an amazing destination, and it's so unique. And they call it the dying city, and I hope it never dies, because it truly is something you have to see in your life. I mean, I've never seen something so real and historical and just full of beauty and enchantment. Please come see this in your life. Guys, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, and let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Okay, until next time, take care. Bye.